Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Toyota is challenging Tesla with the BZ3, a Chinese-built alternative to the Tesla Model 3 that is anticipated to sell for about $28,000. However, it seems that it won't be leaving China, which is unfortunate for Toyota enthusiasts throughout the globe. The BZ3 was co-developed with China's BYD and is the low-rise sibling of the BZ4X. It will be marketed via the FAW Toyota network. Both vehicles use Toyota's e-TNGA platform and share the BZ4X's angular design and familial resemblance. However, BYD's thin lithium-ion batteries are installed in the sedan, allowing for a substantially lower roofline. Toyota says the BZ3 sedan will be able to travel more than 373 miles, 600 kilometers, on a single charge, but it hasn't specified the size of the battery pack, whether different-sized batteries would be offered, or how much power the vehicle produces. There is also no indication of charging rates, although Toyota's assertion that the battery would still be 90% full after 10 years is an intriguing fact. Does anybody know whether the BYD company makes smartphones? The two BZs differ from one another in how they approach interior design. Both have distantly placed digital instrument displays under the windshield that the driver has look over in order to see, as opposed to via the steering wheel. Instead of the landscape console touchscreens seen on the BZ4X SUV, the sedan's console has a large portrait touchscreen. Toyota claims that the EV was created solely for the Chinese market and makes no mention of sales in the United States or elsewhere. Fair enough, it doesn't completely exclude the idea either, but even if Toyota had initially considered American sales, subsequent modifications to the tax credit scheme most likely killed those ambitions. Only vehicles made in North America are eligible for EV credits, making it difficult for the BZ3 to compete with the Tesla Model 3 on pricing in the United States. The BZ3, meanwhile, is anticipated to significantly undercut its Tesla competitor in China. According to a recent Reuters article, the Toyota will cost about $200,000, or only $28,000, which is far cheaper than the $279,000, $38,665 Chinese EV purchasers must fork over to get the least expensive Model 3. The BZ3 is somewhat bigger in every parameter than its Tesla opponent, but it is predictably close in terms of dimensions. It had a bumper-to-bumper length of 186 inches, 4,725 millimeters, a height of 58 inches, 1,475 millimeters, and a wheelbase of 113.4 inches, 2,880 millimeters. Even if it doesn't break any world records, the 0.218 CD factor is still very slick and undoubtedly helps explain the ability to go 373 miles. At CD 0.29, the BZ4X SUV is far less slick. Thank you for watching.